Well, this is the Yamaha CA-44 hooked up on the main system in action. And you know what? It sounds good just sitting there turned off. It's something about the rosewood cabinet, real wood, the beautiful aluminum faceplate, the black with the meters, lit meters at the back. It just looks good, but the sound on this is fantastic. Now I'm using a Sansui direct drive and one of my favorite bands, FM, with Nash the Slash. And just as a demo using the phono stage, this is what I usually listen to first. This has a nice phono stage. It's smooth, it's balanced. Highs and lows are where they're supposed to be. This amp just strolls and it lights up my Energy floor speakers. I mean, 3 is all you need. Don't want to violate the copyrights there. Very simple amp. I mean, volume balance has the loudest switch instead of the control. This is one of the earlier models. Bass, treble, the classic Yamaha record out selector and input selector. And I am impressed by the way this sounds. All new signal transistors, electrolytic caps. It sounds nice. These were really the mark of quality. That's about all I can say. This series was all transistor. It didn't have ICs, it didn't have op amps, it didn't have any kind of sound processing. And that's why this one, I've had several requests off my last YouTube video to purchase this, because this is like the mid-70s Sansui's, like the AU555 line. They're just, people like them, they just have a nice sound. They don't need a lot of power to sound good. They sound very nice just at low volume. They don't even need the loudness switch. Anyway, I just thought I'd put it in action, see what it sounds, let it burn in for a while. Thanks for watching and listening.